This is from @SharonReader. My CSA delivery box contained 3 heads of cabbage. What can I do with it all? I live alone.
Oh, okay. Well, we just made mushu recently on the show. I think that's already up. Yeah, it was in the Antonoff episode, I think, with Jack and Rachael Antonoff. So mushu, delicious. So stir-fried cabbage. I love stuffed cabbage, and that's a great make ahead and freeze ahead. So we boil the large leaves, then we continue to boil the center of the cabbage, chop that up. You can make it vegetarian, or you can make it with meat, or you can make it with plant-based meat product. Mix it with a little rice and spices and or fresh herbs of your liking. Cook it in a very loose tomato sauce with lots of vegetable, chicken or beef stock mixed in with the tomato product of your choosing. So you could go Hungarian, Middle Eastern, Italian. You can do all sorts of different stuffed cabbage rolls. And again, they freeze beautifully. We love to make, we call it hay pie. We love to saute cabbage with garlic and potato and sage in butter. You can add a little prosciutto or speck, take it out of the pan, and then we line the skillet with prosciutto or speck, mix half the cabbage with eggs and Parm cheese, put some cabbage at the bottom of the pan again, pour the egg mixture over the top, tuck in the ham, and bake the pie until it's set. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. What else do we like to do with cabbage? Oh, you know, this time of year, why don't you just make coleslaw and chow chow with oil and vinegar, your favorite slaw dressing mix, with lots of celery seed. I love lots of celery seed in my slaw. And you can put that on burgers, hot dogs, roll it into sandwiches and subs. Just make a whole bunch of slaw. Anything else you can think of? You could do a sauerkraut kind of a thing.
Yeah, do sauerkraut.
Yeah, you could do caraway, cumin, and coriander seed, salt, pepper, vinegar, a little sugar, and put it with brats, or make pastrami or brisket Reubens or turkey Reubens, which are actually called Rachel's. So on and on. I would be psyched to get 3 cabbages. I just had my sister gift me one this morning. I'm pretty psyched about it.
Yeah, we cook with cabbage
Often.
This is from @Melburnai.
Just an exclamation point. I have so many dried lentils.
Oh, I love lentils. I soak them overnight like I do beans, and then I give them a rinse. And you know, your basic obviously is carrot, celery, onion. I put in tons of crushed garlic into the pot. Deviled lentils, you add Calabrian chili paste or a lot of hot sauce, and I top it with pickled chili peppers. You can top it with an egg. You can add greens and make more like a scaffata, you know, greens or any green vegetables, because it's springtime out. If you can get some at your grocery store, you can wilt in some escarole or chard, add favas, and double up your bean count there. Scaffata is like a brothy beans and greens that you put a poached egg on. Of course, you can turn them into curry. You can do what we did with the chickpeas in this episode, using curry spices to cook down the lentils. And I would add tomato if I were going to do that. I would make a tomato-based curry with the lentils if I was going to go down that road. And you could stir in some defrosted chopped frozen spinach as well. Tomato, spinach, lentil curry sounds delightful. Topped with a little Greek yogurt would be nice. On and on. Lentils are a great source of protein. They're cheap, they're cheerful, and they keep for days and days and days in the fridge and forever in your pantry.